Hello guys, how are y'all? So my most requested video from you would be how do I package and post my cake toppers so that they arrive in one piece. So I just thought I would jump on here and make this quick video just to show you my process as to how I package my toppers. I'm going to link everything in the description below, the boxes I use and the materials I use if you want to get the exact same things. It's all linked in the description below. So for the first part of this packaging process, we're going to use some cling film, some food wrap and then some heavy duty wrap as well. And I've made these wee figures on a foam polystyrene block. I've linked those in the description for you as well. So we're going to start out with the cling film, which is the food wrap. And we're going to just start by layering this around the bottom part of the topper. So as you can see, I'm layering it around the front bottom part and the back bottom part. And you can see how that I'm wrapping that, it's supporting the arms there as well. And now we're going to place the cling film around the back part of the topper, and we're just gently going to press down so that the wrap catches on itself. You're not going to wrap this too tightly, it's just to support the figure because you don't want the recipient to be taking the wrap off and the figure to break, so just wrap it quite lightly. We're doing the same with this little guy here as well. So you're just going to keep wrapping basically until you can't see much of the figure that's left. Now that's one last piece of cling film around the top just to give it a bit of support, and now we're going to get into this using this heavy duty stuff here. So I'm going to roll this out and then I'm going to fold it in half, and the reason I haven't used this on the figure is because it isn't food safe. So I'm going to set the block in the center of this piece, and as you can see I'm just going to fold it up either side. I'm going to cut another piece here and fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it up from front to back. Another piece now is going to go around the whole of the figures. And then this last piece I'm going to fold it over again. This is going to go over the top part of the figures. So now it's ready to go into our box, and it's ideal if your box is about an inch either side bigger than what you've packaged. So now that we have the package inside the box, we're going to go in with some of these biodegradable packaging peanuts, and we're just going to fill in around any of those gaps with the peanuts. Right, once you have that filled up, you don't want to fill it up too much where it's going to squash your topper, so just gently close over your box, and if you feel any restrictions then you need to take some of your peanuts out. Now I'm going to use some masking tape. And we're going to make sure we use plenty of tape here just to make sure that this is nice and secure. So you can see how time consuming this part is, so make sure you factor this and these materials into the cost of your figure as well. I obviously can't show you me sticking the address on, but I've linked a little label maker below. I'm sort of hoping that Santa might buy me this little address maker, hint hint. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!